Shame on creations where you get inspired. Shame on creations won't decorate.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Roslyn from Mom Creations. Welcome if you are new, welcome if you are returning. Today, as you can see, I'm right here in my front porch, and today is my focus that I'm going to do. I'm going to work on my front porch right now, guys, because the front porch is very nasty. As you can see, the door behind me needs a paint job. Look at this. The previous owner had some big dogs. I love this stained glass thing right here. I think this is pretty. But the previous owner had some big dogs, which they scratched the door. As you can see, the door is nasty looking. I'm going to clean it up, wash it, sand it down a little bit, and then give it a paint job. And then I'm going to paint those chairs. These chairs, I had them in our home in Hollywood. I bought them here so we can have something to sit on the front porch. I am not buying anything new. These lanterns, I have them for a very long time. I thrifted all three of them for $10 very long time ago. I'm going to give them a nice coat of paint as well. I'm going to refresh everything on the front porch, but keeping the same thing that I have here. Maybe we use them in a different way. So that's what I'm going to do. So how you guys doing, guys? I'm so excited every time I come up here. Oh, and I'm going to show you guys the guy who helped keep the eye on the house for us when we are not here. His name is John. He bought me some ducks, some more ducks, chicken, and turkey. I'm going to take you guys and show you. Oh my gosh. My brother went already this morning to feed them. I have not. I was having my coffee and having a me time. He beat me to it this morning. He woke up before me. But anyway, it's only two of us here today, this weekend. It's only me and my brother. So that's what I'm going to tackle in. My boo did not come. His mom / auntie died, passed away, which is very sad. Because of that, we had things that I was supposed to bring up here. He couldn't come, so my brother brought us here. So it is a very sad moment for the family because in the last 3 months, to be exact, less than 4 months, they lost 3 family members: auntie, a sister, and a mom. This is very hard, y'all. So pray for them, because they need prayers. They need to be, I don't understand. I don't know what's going on. But anyway, God gives and God takes. So we leave it all into God's hands. So we came up here ourselves, my brother and I. So we are doing some work, bringing some stuff here, and I'm going to take the opportunity to clean up the front porch. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, let me go ahead and take you guys the ducks. I'm going to show you guys the ducks and the chicken that the guy that I have here. The door was gonna slam. Yeah, let me fix it. Yeah, my brother just passed through. So I'm going to show you guys the chicken, the ducks, and the turkey that John, the guy that watching and taking care of the land and the house for us when we are not here. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get started, y'all. That's what we have to do. It's really a sad moment, but I'm trying to chill up because what can you do? What can you do? What can we do? But it is this a sad situation for the family. So his family is going through a lot right now. All right, guys, these are the turkeys and the extra ducks that John bought me. Let's see if we can go inside. Why they look scary? Oh my gosh, they see me coming. Look at them, y'all. Huge. Let me see if I can open the door. Let's go inside. Oh my god, I hope they don't. Oh, do they bite? Okay, hold on, guys. All right, guys, here they are. They don't. Oh my gosh, can I touch them? Can I touch them? All right, I'm not trying to hurt you guys. I'm your new owner. Oh my god, they let me touch them, y'all. Oh, they let me touch them, y'all. Oh my gosh, he bought me 2 turkeys. Oh, they're so cute. Look how big. Why they look like that? Why they doing that? Are they gonna attack me? Don't. Stay over there. Stay over there. They look fine. Okay, I'm not trying to scare you guys. All right. Okay, I'm gonna leave you guys alone. Oh my gosh, why is it looking like that? Anyway, I got this one was my turkey. I mean my duck, the one that I had. Now she has brothers and sisters. There's an extra one right there with a baby, and there's one right there, and there is a chicken. Don't come at me. There is a chicken hiding back there. Yeah, you see it? Yeah. So this dog looks scary. Oh my god, how am I gonna get out? How am I gonna get out? Oh no 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 no. Okay. Woof 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 woof. All right. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. I'm out. Look at them chasing me out. All right, guys. I was a little scared. I never had to be so close with those big, turkey like that. I see turkey on TV, but I never got close to any of them that close. They look scary and cute. Okay, the chicken comes out. All right, guys. Enough for the turkeys. I bought these planters, y'all, from our home. They were in our back patio. So right now I bought them outside. They were in the garage. They were in the garage. So I'm going to wash them. As you can see, they have gotten a beating. So I'm going to clean them up, wash them off, and then bring them to the front porch. All right, guys, the chairs finished painted with a fresh coat of black paint. The lanterns, also the top has a nice coat of black paint. Yeah, so I'm going to put the thing together. Let me show you the door. The door as well has a nice coat of paint. It look better without the camera than it is because the lighting. And this piece right here I thrifted. I love the scenery. I love the little shutters, and I love the awning. I love the awning right here. So, and it's like a ocean scene. It looks so countryish. So, and the palm trees, so South Florida. So I bought that. I think it was gifted to me from the thrift store, and I think it's cute. So now I'm going to put the room together and clean up and put the stuff away, and then I'll show you what the room looks like. I also thrifted this little parakeet. I think it's cute. So yeah. So all right guys, here is the front porch, using everything that I already had, just spray painting them and make them little cozy for us to hang out. So this little rug that says home, the first one in the bottom that I layered the home over, I had already have that one. This one I recently bought this one, and my planters got a good coat of paint, and then I love the red on the door. So over here are things that I already have. I really just had that little French tablecloth over there. Let me take you over. Tablecloth over there. It is so pretty. It is embroidery that I purchased for $2. I love the detailing in it. It is very vintage, Victorian like. Over here is the chair. The cushions I already had. And on the table, I recently thrifted this one. It is a Christmas lantern. Of course, I'll put it right here at night. It's really pretty. This little stone thing with the bird, I found it in the yard here in our backyard. I cleaned it up and brought it here. And of course, the little cushions, those lantern I had already give them a coat spray of paint, and then I just display some pink flowers inside, garland inside of it. I think it's pretty. And then here are my planters. And over here, this planter, I did similar, but everything on this one is full except some little tiny greeny one inside that little planter that is well, but everything on this planter is full. And then I add another one of the other lantern. And over here I have this fountain right there. I think this one is so cute. The sound is pretty. It's very Victorian like. I recently thrifted that one for $4. I didn't know it worked, but it works. So I add this little thing right here that I recently thrifted, and then another chair right here, and some mosquito repellent spray right there. Yeah, that's how it looks. Yes guys, I love the front porch. All right guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, I can't wait to see each and every one of you next week, Sunday or Monday. Please don't forget to give today's video a like and press the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you so much guys. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed. Bye guys. Love you all. Thank you all for watching.